Got a bit of a fresh hairstyle for spring, summer 22. Let me tell you guys about it. Hello friends, Parker here. Welcome back. If you're new, we are all about building your confidence through fashion and lifestyle choices. Lifestyle meaning like hair, grooming, stuff like that. All these without breaking the bank. So if that sounds like something you're into, join the gang. So as I said before, I got a new hairstyle for spring, summer 22. It's not like a drastic change, but I want to walk you guys through my new everyday tutorial so you can kind of be getting something similar if you're interested. Now, I'm not a barber, but technically what I would call this haircut is like a medium undercut. That's what I asked for. I went in and showed some different photos. It's really long on the top. I mean, the front of my hair goes like all the way down to the top of my lip. So you need a lot of length on the top, but not necessarily. You could do it with less length. But then on the back and on the sides, it's tapered at the very bottom, blended with like a 3 into a 5 on the upper area. Also, one super helpful thing I've been having my barber do lately is on the back of my hair, really leaving a good amount of extra length right there. So you could honestly just bring in a photo of this video or show this video to your barber and they ought to be able to recreate something similar, but I want to show you how I'm actually styling it every day. So I just washed my hair. After my shower, I'm gonna towel dry till it's about 80 or 90% dry. First product I use is this spray grooming tonic from Ruzel. It's a heat protector, and since I just washed my hair, I'll spray it like 8 or 10 times. Next, I'm gonna use my round brush, comb everything straight back, really get all that product evenly distributed. Now for my blow dryer, I want my heat as high as it'll go, but my power on low. This is really gonna let us get a lot of volume, and I start in the back and work my way forward in rows. As you can see, I'm drying right up against the hair to really straighten it out as much as possible. Now for the rest of my hair, I just go slow, take it section by section, I comb it out, really make sure you're getting the back. You wanna get your whole head as dry as possible. You want no moisture left in your hair. I'm really not even worried about styling yet. I just wanna get all the moisture out and maximize as much volume as possible. Now once everything's dry, I can start to run my fingers through it, give it a little bit of shape, and we'll move on to one more product. This Undercut styling powder is amazing. You just want to be really sure to use it as sparingly as possible. You only need a tiny bit on your roots. Just really dab it in there and run your fingers through it. From here, you can really start to give it some shape, just kind of figure out how you want it to work best. And then if you do get this undercut style like I have, the top is going to be a lot longer. So in order for it to not hang over and sort of have tails, kind of push it up, and as you can see, it all just stacks nicely together. Don't mind my tattoo, I'm getting it removed. That's why it looks all nasty like that. But overall, it's really super clean and I'm absolutely loving it. And there you go, a simple little everyday tutorial. If you want to get creative and try something new or different products, you absolutely can do the same type of steps. One thing that I really like about this is that as I go throughout the day, it will sort of start to like fall a little bit, but maybe my hair's kind of curly, so it starts to curl up, or I don't mind when my hair gets a little messy because I'm always running my fingers through it. This is one that I would be happy for a really dressy occasion. Like I would wear this to a wedding and feel good. If I wanted it to stay really still, I'd probably hit it with a bunch of hairspray just so it doesn't move. But if I'm just dressing really casually on an everyday basis, like I said, something like this is gonna fall really nicely and last me throughout the whole day. If you wanna try these products specifically or my blow dryer or whatever, I absolutely love that Panasonic. There's links down in the description, you can check that out. If you have any specific questions, as always, DM me on Instagram. You can drop them down below. Go follow me on Instagram as well as on TikTok for tons of other style tips and outfit ideas. If you enjoyed today's video, if you want to see other hairstyle stuff, let me know. I mean, I don't really do that much stuff with my hair. I pretty much rely on a couple staple styles to always go to, but we could try to experiment a little bit if you guys want to see that. Let me know. I really appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, tell a friend about the channel, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.